Greetings. It is very important for you to know how to use your mental powers because Earth is where the real school is. Welcome to Earth School. You see, true education is to draw out from that which is within. And so, a true educated person is one who understands the faculties of his mind. He understands his will, his perception, his reasoning, his memory, his intuition. He understands that he's psychic, he's clairvoyant. He understands all these things. And so he look around and he sees all of the inventions and he realized that they were first a thought, they were first an idea, they were first imagined, they were in someone's mind. And so when you start to learn that your mind is the place of riches, then you will know why the Bible says, where the heart is, there is your treasure also. And most people read that in the Bible and do not really understand what it is saying. You see, your heart is the place of feeling and emotion. And emotion is energy in motion. You see, you have an energetic field. And everything is based on energy, vibration, and frequency. And first of all, your mass of energy. So when you tap into that energetic field through your emotion and you set that energy in motion, how you feel about yourself would mean the results you see in this physical three-dimensional world. So, if you feel that you are not enough, if you feel that you are limited, that is you using your mental powers to give you the results that you are getting. So you can know how you're using your mental powers based on your results. So just look at the results that you're getting in life and be honest with yourself. If you would like to achieve more in life, if you would like to have more in life, if you'd like to feel more accomplished, if you would like to feel more purposeful, if you want life to have more meaning for you, you have to learn these basic things. And the basic thing is that we are spiritual beings living in a body and we vibrate on frequency, thought frequency. And when I speak about vibration, you need to know that everything vibrates, nothing rests. So the results you're getting in life would mean what vibration you on, and what vibration you on would mean what frequency you on, and what frequency you on would go all the way back to your feeling. How do you feel? So if you want to be rich, you got to feel rich. If you want to see your bank account change, you have to acquire that feeling. That's why I would have written the book called Your Mood is Your Fortune. Because the way you feel would mean what message has been sent out into the energy field, the ether. You see, even the Bible says that my words will not return unto me void, but I must accomplish that which I send it to and prosper in the thing whereto I send it. You see, most people do not understand what they send out is what is coming back to them, because they do not understand how the conscious and subconscious mind works. You see, whatever you sow in the subconscious mind, the subconscious mind can only receive it as a feeling. And once you impress that feeling upon your subconscious mind, it's definitely gonna germinate and give you a harvest. So my brother, my sisters, it is so easy for you to transform your life. All you have to do is rearrange your mind. In other words, renew your mind. That's why you're told that you must not be conformed. Don't follow the crowd. You have to know what is working for you and what is not working for you. Like for example, for many years I was trapped in a religious mentality, looking for the answers of life through religion and morality. But when I decide to go further, being honest with myself and seeing that my life was not producing the results that I wanted, I wasn't afraid to question, because they normally tell you not to question. But you have to question things if you're going to go further. You see, life is based on growth and expansion. And if you're not seeing growth and expansion in your life, you definitely have to question why you're not seeing growth and expansion in your life. So it wasn't until I did that I realized what was happening to me. And so when I understand how powerful my mind is, I start to use my mind power. I start to utilize my mind power through meditation, first of all, calming my mind down, and through visualization, acting out my life the way I want it to be. And because inside of me, there's always been a desire to share with others and to uplift others. When I start to expand and grow in every way, I decided that I'm going to teach this truth to the rest of humanity until the day I die. And so, my brother and my sisters, there's a saying that money will only magnify who you are. And that is why if a person is selfish, if they are always angry and so on, and they get more money, it's just going to get worse, because it's just going to magnify who you are. And so, because in me has always been this desire to help others, to see them grow and to see them expand. That's why I'm here bringing this message to you, to say to you, you have to learn to use your mental powers. If you want to expand and grow and live the best version of your life on this planet, there's no other place I could point you to but to look within yourself, because all the answers that you're seeking in life is within you. The phenomena of life is within you. The saving and redeeming power is within you. Stop looking on the outside for a savior, because the saving power is within you. It's called mind power. Everything is mental. Everything is psychological. Everything was first a thought. Everything was first an idea. We are living in a mental universe. All is mind. So fix your mind and you're able to fix your life. So with that being said, my brothers and my sisters, I can go on and on, but I'm going to come to close. And I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And if you haven't gotten my latest book, I'll definitely encourage you to get it. It's called The Secret Vagina, Mystery of the Virgin Birth. You see, many people believe the virgin birth is secular history, and that is because they interpret the Bible to you on one level, which is the physical level only, but they forget the psychological and spiritual level. All three levels, you must understand it to understand yourself and to live your life fully, okay? To live your life wholly, as in WHOLE, right? To be the whole, you have to understand all three levels, okay? So it's very important for you to understand the Bible from a metaphysical angle, from an esoteric angle, from a psychological angle, okay? Also, different to that book, I would encourage you to get Spiritual Recipe for Better Living. Your mood is your fortune, how to turn water into wine, meditate, eradicate poverty, and much more. Also, get my journals and start to journal your life the way you want it to be. Also, if you're not a part of my Patreon community, I'm definitely encouraging you to become a part of my Patreon community. And you can start with $5, $10, whichever you can afford. But for those that are donating $20 or more, you have access to a course that is called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course and self-concept. So my last encouragement to you is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, I'm Out.